Kung bibili ka ng bahay ngayon, bakit hindi mo piliin yung property na mas mababa kaysa sa current market value? Guys, check this out. May bank foreclosed single attached inner lot tayo dito sa Barangay Pasong Camachile, General Trias, Cavite. And this is an as is where is property. Lot area 139 square meter, floor area 84 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 to 3 car garage. And here's the exciting part. 3,587,000 lang. Kung ikukumpara sa mga similar properties sa market today, ang bank foreclosed properties can be acquired at around 30 to 50% less than market value, depending on the property's actual condition, location, and valuation. So, bakit worth it? Una, malaki ang potential savings compared with buying a comparable property at regular market price. Pangalawa, 139 square meter ang lot area. So, hindi ka lang bumibili ng bahay, may magandang size lot ka rin for your family. Additional parking, future improvements or even long-term investment. At pangatlo, hindi mo kailangan bayaran lahat agad. 20% down payment, then 80% in-house loan payable up to 10 years. Pero reminder, as is where is ito, and bank foreclosed properties are limited. Kaya kung pasok sa budget at investment goals mo, don't wait until someone else gets it first. We offer free house tour assistance. Message us now for inquiries and property viewing. This is Jean Puig, PRC accredited real estate salesperson. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!